ala me o ka re ba e romile gape be ke lora le potsotso no le chabile le potsotso laka today ke tsogile before le gogo but it's a miracle. What's this?
If I'm not home when you wake up, go and see a traditional healer called Pusu in Soweto. He will explain everything.
Wa bona le gogo le le themile ka di body business. Ile gore Pusu ke ntroma. Right, let me go to Soweto and find this monk. Hey, Mr. Five Skipper, how are you, my man? Hello. Bon, I'm looking for a sangoma bariki Pusu. It's about Modula.
Oh, Pusu the healer for the tradition.
Yes.
Yeah, I know where she stays.
Oh, Emoke Masad.
No. Who said she's a woman?
Can you come and direct me?
Okay, first you walk for the left. The pink house on the back, jump for the street, and then for the U-turn forward and backward. The pink house, I don't like it for the Mkotois.
Why should you tell me like I is Winger Stella Chow? I would do and you'll never change. Just like Hester Latanda Zawamubang. She's been rocking that escalon cut since apartheid. 2010. Out of Valio.
Oh, but it's delicious.
Save it. Hey, buy my CD. Buy my CD. Let's support local music. Protect. Custom. Hey, my friend. I am looking for a sangoma by the name of Pusu. Pusu? Yeah, Wamujaja. Sure. Okay, tell me then. I will tell you, but first you have to buy my CD. Mandoza, utubile mungwa toilet gamma. Why would I buy your CD? For no get to Tivancha de That voice near Neogarigi construction site. The Chilajita or the Cosa Polishi. Ogareguena ho. Osanda Ogareguena zikwe ola quata kalani sesami. One lemon. Mandos. Jadala, my man. Whatever, Grata Cochilla, or Barrier. We're hot.
My friend, who's staying next door?
Oh, next door. Thanks, my friend, man. Go on, I think you should call a helpline, man. This guy is crying out here. He might go and kill himself. Go.
Enter at your own risk. Vumanibo.
Siavo.
Niti Vumanibo.
Siavo.
Okay, before we start, tell me, are you following me on Twitter?
You have Twitter?
Yes, you must follow me. I'll make it trend every day.
What la babi Zemus?
Yeah. Okay, Lego. The bones are speaking.
What are they saying?
Yes.
Hey.
The saying Logogo Wako is trapped at the forbidden mountains of Mudimule.
Mudimule? No, this can't be right. Check the expiry date. Maybe my rapper or expiry or something.
The bones don't lie, my man.
Ish. Ona maybe get the settings. Check out the settings.
There's nothing wrong with these bones. If you want to save your grandma, you must go to the mountain of Mudimule. Okay, my man, stand at the center. I'm going to teleport you straight to the top of the mountain.
Teleport? What's that?
It means transport with Loi.
Sure, my rapport or expire.
Yes.
What's about young well?
My man,
These bones are electronically connected to the ancestors. The atomic bond between the bones and Amadlozi has an electromagnetic spectrum that is inconspicuous to the human's retina. And you can't hear them because of their mega ultrasonic frequencies that are over 1 million megahertz. It's fundamental science of lying. Okay, it's time to go now.
Ivan. I feel dizzy. Show yourself. Wait a minute. Okara lady training that side. Yes. Metrol. Batho ba tlhomile stene mo thabeng ba tla ntse ba botse. Whoever is in the house, come out right now before I shoot you.
Who are you?
Ivan. And then, what are you? I start talking before go tatamolla ga sethunyasi.
I'm an alien from planet Nola.
Scam bluffer, man. You sound like you're from Google Age, man.
Yeah, I know. We've been here for a while.
So, end like Onyagamo, South Africa.
We don't have anywhere else to go.
What happened to your planet?
Well, it all started back on planet Nola. It was back in 2000.
Okay, stop right there. Where's my grandmother?
Grandma? Who is that?
This is not Mudimulle. This is Table Mountain.
Yeah?
Don't you see the sign over there?
Pusuko molaya gamao. Mfuni.
You have reached your call limit. Please recharge your account.
Ish, can I use your phone?
Come inside.
What kind of a Zozo is this?
It's not a Zozo. It's called District 9. It's an alien station.
Ivan. Baratuba Donald. Tibo Touch.
What?
Kitibile or you're an alien. The way Upelanga Twang.
What you talking about, cuz?
Agrawabot. Usheju Sinch. Orama Regamotwala. Ubana Kwero, son and Luena.
What you mean, cuz?
Cuz. The man cousin now.
Nah, dog. It ain't like that.
Yellow Pichampia. What's again? Skipper Seki si aperitiva to Barsona Luena. Ubizu Jilegadi Jasimu Garo Yambuhu. My man, just show me where the phone is before I can chamo to man.
Hello?
You wanna push?
No, go.
I told you my rapwa was work. I'll be no one like Cape Town.
The post don't lie, my man.
What's back again when I pussycat dolls? When I come back, the go just had the Ratinia Chechao. I will teleport me back right now.
I can't.
Why not?
Because the chemical portion of that reaction is irreversible.
Damn it. One last call, my man. I won't finish your airtime, okay?
Hello?
What good?
Oh, hey, love.
Go on, manungunga di mo 400 kita fire neki wagai. Yeah.
Yeah, but not so fetchelete because you still owe me 2,000.
Matlodi, it's an emergency.
You said the same thing last time.
Matlodi.
What no?
Matlodi. Hello. Kita stop come out. Hey, my man, can you tell me where I can find a hitchhiking spot?
How? Why are you asking me?
Hey, man, akere kwena machekelane.
Aye. I'm not a direction giver. I'm a certified protector.
Protector ya ntoma. U protectileng, mitarela kuwa. Mbusho ban.
Yewen. Exalo. Blacksam.
Blacksam arabon. Gentlemen, kunenkinga la. Pel Tusi. Yala lwena o machekelane. Wena mona gabotse ya everywhere. Kore segalo tano ka ba ke the adventures of Pel Mashaba.
But mina, I didn't do it.
Hello. Hey, boss. Fire. But why? Hubani? Pel Tusi.
Shem akere wa bona. Alibia ne ba kubile Mr. Certified mo ka ba kalago. Yes. Kere ke bi mo ba. Cape Town le ane nkhabela ka de pampas. Ish. Finally. Young man, do you want a lift? Mr. Desmond and the Tutus. You're a lifesaver. Ow, manje, your t-shirt. Keep calm and... How? Young man, unjwela gag.
Hey, my man.
How did you get here?
I flew with this.
Hey man, how about you and I'm now muloyo go faungaka?
I studied lawyering engineering and I majored in both witchcraft and herbalism.
Hey man, le nekele na ba golala le re fofa bo shego robetse akere. Nanga go josha marago a tshweni tsotsi. Ke no bona pushi ka kwa gae o tla ntse ba botse. So now one tshepe ke re marapo a go ane bothata.
There's no time for that. We are running out of time.
What do you mean?
The longer your gogo stays at Mudimulle, the harder it will be to get her out.
Let's fly then.
No, this is too slow. This is my car. I call it Caster.
Woman. Golf cart. Togala di papadi mona. Musere to fita next year mo. Cho. Mara chala one straight.
We will only die if we go to KZN.
Hey, why KZN?
Because the HIV in KZN is faster than this car. And it's so much that it can even turn us over.
Debe no na ya rock again. Watch out!
Spookaboo!
Who was that?
I think it's Tony Yengen.
Emon, wa re tisha mo spetala sa bagaso. Gane le themile go mona ka mothogo.
We are here to see Malume Boy.
Who's that?
He is the only man who's ever went to Mudimulle and came back alive. So we must go and ask him how he did it. Let's go.
Babash.
Hey, my man, we want you to tell us how you escaped from Mudimulle. See, we want to go and rescue someone there. So we need some tips on how to do it.
Are, ntrele tsa molodi bana. Emon, motho a go do ba potlata. O busy re letse tsa melodi mo.
Shh. His whistle is talking to me.
O reng?
It's saying we must write a letter to Kumbule Kaya.
Of course. Dear Kumbule Kaya, le gogo la ka le timedi. Mengwaga ya gae a ke itsebe mara ke dithaka tša bo Adama le Eva. Last time ke mmona e be yo motlala mara ke kweša gore ga le bjalo o topetše. Sale ke mo feleletša a lebeletše mo bango. Status sa ga sa Mexit se re online mara he ke re hellos a reply. Wait a minute. Mose Mashala Kumbule Kaya e reply le gogo le tla ba le hwile. Yewen, utsuba de drugs ka montong yaka.
It's not drugs, my man. Anyways, you have a point. By the time Kumbulekaya replies, it will be too late. But if you are going to Mudimulla alone, we are going to need a team.
Wa re sa no founela Donald a ya re bolelle le ditšhoni tša gabo kwa thabeng.
Donald is in Los Angeles, my man. He's been nominated for AMA BET Awards.
Damano talented, Amos. He's not just a pretty face.
Yeah.
What about Mendoza and Tibo Touch?
Okay, let's go find Mendoza.
Yeah, man. Steven, what's going on over here? Hey, ke bolela le wena man. Hey, not for North.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to your shoes. You are not used to being raped by black people. You are used to being raped by what? Silver people. Na.
Don't be stupid, man.
Right now we're stupid. When I'm motsotsi, o lebelle hore ke tsamaya le ma. Ta go loya ka mogano wa swap.
My man, there's Mendoza. Let's go. Amadlozi Ati, this man didn't take his pills today.
Everybody, I'm a gents and the female ladies. Watch my show tonight. Watch my show at ETV. I mean, in ETV. It must go into can happen. Watch my show tonight. Yeah, man. That man no chabang, man.
I don't know. Maybe he thought we were cops. Pella cops are trigger happy these days. They even shot Kulichana.
Kulichana has been shot.
Yes.
And I can't see about Tunchiche Kim Tim. Ntwela ke skebekwa. O nagana gore o tla top. I damani unida zodwa in his life.
Hi, let's get out of here.
Mo busy. Mos wena o wa re ka traffic.
Yes, and they think they can make me buy an e-tech for Eton. I just fly over there. Can you call Tibo Touch and ask him to join us?
Why now the young move?
I'm trying to suspend this chick. She's been subtweeting me the whole day.
Wana pusu o rata dilo, man.
I'm telling you, son, I'm the one who shot Kulichana. I did it with my boy Ice Cube. You can ask my boy Kanye if you're skeptical. You know I got the gun from my boy T.I.
Hey, why can't all these US celebs are your boys now?
You tripping, son? Yo, it's a private number. How do I look, dog? It might be my boy Barack Obama.
Tiwatash, they can't see you.
You never know, son. You never know. Hello? Yeah, this is him. Say what? Oh, hell nah. I'm on my way, dog. I'm on my way. Yo, pack your bags. We're going to Limpopo.
Jordan's life is mutao.
Hey, that's life.
Shut your mouth. I want you to tell me all about Nokomashab.
Nokomashaba. Scampo chaka that waste of air. Hoga pia mushima nyana wala lisuka. Lisuka lika utwa pili.
That's not what I heard. I've heard that he's actually smart and that the genius bone runs in the family.
Hey, the only thing that runs in that family is storage pipe. Ya go transport the lecho ba di bolela.
Oh. Wele Mutimulle. Okampo changa yo.
Mutimulle. Ikulebare he lost his grandmother to that mountain. But if you ask me, I think he lost his damn mind.
Ulukile gae. Ke tla beta matrengwana ka kwa systemeng so you can become my servant in the force.
Hey, when am I going home?
Don't worry. No.
But no can mean any time from now to forever.
Exactly. Evan. Usonjaman.
I can explain.
Shut up.
I hope umfonela gompocha re ke winne track a go tala di moyana.
My man, are you sleeping?
No, I'm busy getting a visa for my Tokolush. Of course, ke robetše o tsomana le pusu.
I just had a dream about you, my man.
Whoa. E re go stopa gana mowe. Maybe o dile mistake gore fonela butiso mizi. Na ke gore di on go le chomzana.
Don't be a voluntary idiot. There's a storm coming and it's heading your way.
e wena mfonela ka 3 a.m. to mpotsa di-weather updates.
No, I don't mean that kind of thing.
Buzz off.
Le go bola banna a ke mamene a re a nyaka. They are all connected to Noko Mashaba, the boy with verbal diarrhea. They are considered verbally armed and dangerous, especially this Muloiza. How Mona, you shoot first and ask questions later. Langwa banna.
Yes, sir.
These guys have been amazing people over some Greenwich at Mutimulle.
Shoot to kill. Well, mrar. Not this for buy bullets, Jabanava school.
Yeah, all we do is satisfy stupid affidavits all day. It's about time we started shooting something.
Yeah, of course. Now, Sonejere package. Because these people are from the Bundus, so they stand a better chance of winning Yebo millionaires. Regafita kwa humana house to let.
Yebo millionaires is very chief.
Oh, this is gonna be easier than trafficking a person in South Africa. Remember, whatever you do not listen to the things they say. Lengwa banna.
Yes, sir.
Hey, le nako ba ka di nthatela. Matjena ba ba fa ka mapona le di KFC ka Toronko. Hey, go phala go ba ka monte man. Le washene le dibiana o thatswe.
Hey, man. Hands up!
Freeze! Don't move!
Your threats are weaker than the Zimbabwean dollar.
Hey, wena to show me natane ya go motafle.
Go dia ga langa.
Hey bana. Ke nyakile go bupu mmetse maoto. Mpatse di ka mona. Ga ne le janga kwa gae papa.
Hey, you are both under arrest, so you have the right to shut your trap. Slyfish, since when Olelegata? Hey, none of your business. Scam pochar these guys came up with the Musare safe come South Africa.
Hey, ka nnete man. You don't want to pupumpo eki. Ga ne le tshetse ka mothago bana. O ka ke namba motshetse ya the biggest loser fish and chips. O le ga ba ka mofako le ba rang khaiseng ka moshia ka maoto.
Hey, aka ba goalkeeper tlhwatlhwa for bafana. Le Nigeria ka story re papatile gape.
Batho ba re senyetsa nako man. Re thuntshana nena.
Hey, shut up wena mapimpana. Ke tla go kata umbilical cord e ka mpama.
Ye ona mafikizolo. Ga ne le strike ile kwa Kretshe. O bile le fa le bana dithunya. O ne o bile o ka re se ya go email. A o nya gore malome nne kwa go sarela.
O ka ba mo reketse sona ba go tla gola le sona. Ha ke tsebe gore nyaka mo. Nge bo mingela le beautiful white women ba go sona le bokanyimbao.
Malome Kanyimbao is not a white woman. She's just a DIY yellow bone.
Oh, maybe that's why Sena land.
Show it! Shoot him! Okay. Now you can ask questions.
Why you carrying an umbrella in the house? Did you know that it was going to be raining bullets?
The bullet chana defeated mutagoto muchaka umbrella.
I'm here to warn you that there's a storm coming. There's a force that is using you to stop us from going to Mutimule.
Hey, I guess you fail, man. Kina kwa mabante.
My man, who the hell do you think I am? No go, kick their butts. Hey man.
Stay tuned. Next episode of Dragon Ball. Oh, sorry man. The Adventures of Nkumasha.
Hey, what the hell is going on here?
Shh.
Hey, what
does that mean?
Please call me.
In that case, Jen won't especially Elena. Live up and jump around the Jolegamots. When I live in the Bomile Bato, look at the fit cholesterol like a monto.
Sir, just give me the go ahead. Candy floss light skinned idiot.
Yowen, get out better.
Idiot one.
In fact, get out for sure. Home, Piato.
Okay, let 2 seconds or the otherwise, you can tatamula one by one. Aha! I thought you should check out. Your time is over, you're outnumbered. Usirasiman, come on, a cop has more life than these cops.
Hey, also.
I've heard of the coolest monkey in the jungle. You must be the dumbest one. Hey, it's time to face the music. Okay, I'm going to count until 10. 1, 2. You are still here.
Yeah, man.
You will ring clever. Plus, you will rata home finish at school.
Hey, I take a cabaya, may I'm Motoro. What's going to him? It's going to forgive. Parola di mpatsa se kutukutu se go rona go bona go rona le nka moga. I'm sure o tlise di 20 rand tsa rena ka kwa. Ha it's a man you Jojo tank. If you mkabo wa so protect our from the bullets, then you are wasting our time as a cop. You son of a swine. Get out of here, Kulubetina, before I challenge H1N1.
O pele o bela la ke go bona ka go bitsa ka go pha. Today ke phara wena, o tlo kwa ka letla. Tšao kwa.
It's either to be left like off or play like uncle. My man, I told you there's a storm coming. We need to get the hell out of here.
So nyaka go mpotsa that and siki PVR machine ya go recorda ditoro tša go. What secretary is that?
Yes, I want you to watch this one that I taped last night.
Ai, idio tla la re bone mo.
Hey, gata ntho mano tla gaboleša ka dikebego.
Ye maleme go gopela le tsone le pipe ya lena, ntho a se lefiele ke koloi.
Hey, ba tlo re bolaya batho ba. Le bone before mo ka bula tla re walla dipoelo. Ke mo we. Hey, shiba wo ba ka mansi. Tšope. Tšela tšo ke re sebe. Yo!
Ema le mo fisha koloi ka kwa. Tsoga mo. Malome,
wo mo tlogole, nna ke le ka mo. This basically means that there are forces that are out to get you. Hey, before. This is a phenomenon known as the calling in lowing biogenetics. It means your gogo is attempting to communicate with you.
Oh, so you computer ga botse go na le batho ba re thelelang V.
Yes.
What the hell? I thought you said your electricity doesn't run out.
I thought so too. Hey, pussy undi anna. I'm standing right here, my man. Yo, what the hell?
Hey, what the hell happened? Where's my uncle?
I don't know. I need to send a police call me to the ancestors. They will tell us what happened.
Please call me. What's our phone name?
Do you have any idea how expensive it is to call the ancestors? You need to slaughter an entire cow for that.
Wena le motolo wa gago le menkrana le dilo tše e leng gore di le feta le badimo ba lena le thakale.
Hey, pakiša o tlogole ke tsamaye before ke go tshwela sefatlago se ka mare ke fetse go phumole ka Varam Club.
Hey, shut up! Wa ntse ba gore ke nna mang wena?
I know who you are. I just don't know who the hell you think you are.
You should be afraid, Madons. I am so dangerous and can't do it in the machine. What else are time? I want to get the chips in the maze.
Eh?
Or a you didn't catch a phone or get rest.
Oh, Onara Java. Hey, ha.
Or the Ram Hala.
Go for trailer, ya horror movie to one chanyo. Problem go I was a notepad.
Notepad for what?
To mark my words. Pelo to feel about look. What's
the matter? You need to shut your mouth and tell me what Lena can lay you go with you.
You can test it because what to feel away.
But I don't know what on.
Thank telling who put us away every 30 minutes more TV. Would you excite me?
I'll put that on Snatcher Nagway.
Hey, Udia. Hey, Hey, I'm Piatu.
You're going to die and go swap.
Yo!